20 foods in English. Rice. Rice. A staple food made from grains. Example, he eats rice for lunch. Bread. Bread. A baked food made from flour. Example, she eats bread with butter. Chapati. Chapati. A flat round bread made from wheat. Example, he eats chapati with curry. Noodles. Noodles. Long thin food made from flour. Example, she cooks noodles for dinner. Pasta. Pasta. A food made from dough shaped into pieces. Example, he eats pasta with sauce. Pizza. Pizza. A baked dish with cheese and toppings. Example, they share a pizza. Burger. Burger. A sandwich with a patty inside bread. Example, he eats a chicken burger. Sandwich. Sandwich. Food made with bread and filling. Example, she packs a sandwich for school. Soup. Soup. A liquid food made by boiling ingredients. Example, he drinks hot soup. Stew. Stew. Thick food cooked slowly in liquid. Example, she cooks meat stew. Curry. Curry. A spicy dish cooked with sauce. Example, he eats curry with rice. Fried rice. Fried rice. Rice cooked with oil and spices. Example, she makes fried rice at home. Omelette. Omelette. Eggs beaten and cooked in a pan. Example, he eats an omelette for breakfast. Boiled egg. Boiled egg. An egg cooked in hot water. Example, she eats a boiled egg. Cheese. Cheese. A food made from milk. Example, he adds cheese to pasta. Butter. Butter. A soft dairy food made from milk. Example, she spreads butter on bread. Yogurt. Yogurt. A thick food made from milk. Example, he eats yogurt after lunch. Ice cream. Ice cream. A cold sweet frozen food. Example, she eats ice cream in summer. Cake. Cake. A sweet baked food. Example, he cuts the birthday cake. Biscuit. Biscuit. A baked crunchy snack food. Example, she eats biscuits with tea. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.